Hi, welcome to our channel Good Life and Learning. Today we are going to learn how you can apply filter in your table. Yes, filters are very important function and you can use it in your table. By applying filter, you can extract your data in a particular way or the way you want. For example, let's see, I'm having a table of a store where I'm given with product, quantity and sale. And in the product category, I'm having apple, pulse, rice and spices. And if I want to show only apple records, or you may say that I want to know the apple product sales, then how would I do that? This list I have taken, it's a very short list. If the data is huge, then the filter is going to be a very useful option for you. So let's apply it. For this, you need to go to data tab. You may see so many tabs are available. Just below the quick access toolbar, just go to data tab and you will find the filter option. Just click on it and you will see filters are applied to each and every column. Okay, so what are the benefits of having filters? So let's see that. First of all, I'm going to look for the text values. You can clearly see that in the product column I am having apple pulse, which is text value. So I'm going to filter my data with respect to text values. Let's see how we can do that. When you click on the drop down symbol, you will see so many options have been displayed to you, like sort A to Z, sort Z to A, and along with all these options you will find sort by color too. That means sorting. If you click any of this option, your data will be sorted. Now if you click on sort A to Z, then your data will be sorted like this. Okay, so you have seen your records have been shuffled. Now if you don't want this, and if you want to type your own term, that means you want only apple record, so how you can do that? You can type in this text box and find apple only. So if you see, you will get only records for which there are apples are there in the rows. So if you don't want this, you can just clear filters from the product. This is how the result appears. Okay, so as I've applied filters, so I can search the data in this way. Now if I want 2 or 3 type of records, like I want apple, dry fruit and pearls, so if I select, or if I want multiple items, then I can select all the multiple items in my filter category. So see, all the records with apple, pearls, dry fruits have been displayed. So this way you can filter your data, and if you don't want this filter, you can just clear by clicking this option. Okay, so this was the use of filter when the value is text. Now see, when the values are number, how we can search or filter that type of data. Let's see. You have seen that in the text values they were sorting like A to Z. Now in the number values we are having sorting from smallest to largest and largest to smallest. You can click this option if you want the data in sorting way. I don't want my data in this way, so I'm just going to filter my data wherever the quantity is 10. So first of all I need to deselect all, and I want only those items which are having quantity 10 only should be displayed. So if you do it, you will see that your records have been displayed. I am having only one record for this category, so only one record have been displayed. So I don't want this filter, so I want to clear this filter by clicking this. So in the same way you can apply filter for your sale term too. Now if you if you can see, this is how you can use filter. There is one more option which I want to tell you, a bit advanced option for text filters. Let's see. I'm having products like apple, pearls, rice, walnut, rice. Okay, so I'm having all this type of product. You can see dry fruits and dairy products both starts with the letter D, and if I want to filter my data with the products that are starting with the letter D, so how can I do that? Now if you click on the text filters, you may find so many options like equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, and custom filter. So this time I'm going to try begins with option, as I want all the products that starts with the letter D. So if I click on it, so you will see a dialog box will appear, and it will ask you want to present all those rows which starts with letter D. So if I type letter D and press OK, then only all those products that starts with letter D will be displayed. So this is how filter works, and you can do this by using text filter option. So we can use other options too. For example, if I want to use does not equal to, then if I write like in my quantity column, I just want that's number filters does not equal to 12. That means only those quantities which are not 12 should be displayed. So this is how number filters are going to work with numbers. So that's all for today's video. I hope it helps in your data entry work. Thank you for watching.